welcome to our new vlog. Okay, Juliana, where are we going today?
Pick up strawberries today.
Pick up strawberries?
And we have water play and also I love strawberries.
Okay, can you show your glasses, how it looks like? Mommy give you very nice glasses. Sunglasses. So you only have a new sunglasses.
Because I have a sunglasses.
So cool.
My eyes is not okay. My eyes is okay. But my dad and my mom not okay. She need wear the glasses. And the nighttime, my daddy needs to take the glasses.
Okay, we have to go now. So you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Say hi, bye-bye.
Oh.
Okay, guys.
Cause now you adore me. Go ahead now. Adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone.
Are you excited? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we are going to a strawberry farm today. Let's see how it's gonna be. It's very busy, I guess, as you can see in my back.
A mess. I didn't commit to ugly, crying my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. Cause now you
Yeah, you get it. Juliana? Wow, that's so nice. Juliana, can you look at me? Juliana, look at me. Are you excited? Let's go to another farm. Woohoo! Let's go for a bus ride to pick a strawberry. Yeah. Juliana?
Right, let's go to the gully together.
Juliana, let's go.
Not over for your basket. Thank you.
Just feel less. So, be careful. No, you don't go straight. You have to follow the instruction. No, you have to go and check, You see, from where the people coming with the big strawberry, you have to go there. Let's go, Juliana, quick. Yuli so excited to go. Juliana, be careful, okay? Juliana, make sure pick up the nice strawberry. Okay? Let's go. Juliana and mommy picking up a strawberry today. Let's have a fun, guys. Strawberry!
Nobody else found you. Nobody else found nobody else.
Gentle with her, honey. You're very cute. He's so fluffy. Gentle, okay? It's very cute. Let's go. No, don't touch me. Come, Yuli, come. Woohoo! Juliana, like this flavor. Yuli, look at it. Yeah! Come on, Yuli, come on. Go for it.